What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be cleaning up the motor per se. I'm just going to basically dust it out from debris and grease it up a little bit, and it's coming up to you next on this episode of
Welcome to noprosrc. Enemies.
Okay guys, we are back. So I got some compressed air and I got some grease here. That's what I was waiting for from the Amazon. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and dust it off and grease it up a little bit, and hopefully that solves my problem of the noise that I was hearing coming from the motor. Now on the previous video I didn't give you a demonstration of what I was hearing, so I'm going to give you a demonstration now of what I was hearing, and hopefully we have a before and after. So let me go ahead and plug her in, turn her on. Take a listen and see if you hear what I hear. I'm going to turn it around. You guys hear anything? And I'm not talking about that hum. It just sounds dirty to me, so I'm just going to go ahead and get some alcohol and clean these gears off pretty good, and just go from there and see if it makes a difference. So while I do that, stand by. So you guys can see the dirt in here, hopefully. So what I want to do is kind of clean that up some. Yeah, you see that? I want to kind of get all that off, and hopefully that makes a difference. Just pour a little alcohol in here, just a little bit. Q-tip. Not sure if this is working. No dirt's coming off. Alright, so we may have to go with let me find a toothbrush. Stand by.
A few moments later.
Okay, Q-tip out, toothbrush in. Get some alcohol on there, and let's see how that does. Ah yes, look at that. Much easier. Brushing the teeth of my gears. Getting that dirt and debris out of there. Not sure how often you should do this, but regular maintenance makes for a happy RC, especially if you're racing mini Z's. It's always something that can be done to keep those running at their best. But for having to run, I ran this maybe 2 or 3 times. I guess having that much dirt on there is normal. I mean, the cover is in there, but it still probably sucks up air and dust. So them white teeth, look at them. So now our teeth are clean. Go ahead and put her back in there. Like so. So the next thing is to blow out the dust inside the motor and grease it up a little bit, and let's see if we can see a difference. So stand by. Y'all can't see it, but I'm basically putting grease right in the middle of here and just turning it on its side. See if that makes a difference. So yeah, stand by. I don't know about y'all, but that sounds better to me already. I like it. So we're gonna put the wheels back on it, cover up the engines and everything, and then take it for a test spin. If I can't find anyone to film before it gets dark, that will be the end of this video. We'll just have to wait to take her ripping again. And if that's the case, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate that. That will make the YouTube algorithm happy, and it will make us here at No Pros happy as well. Subscribe, become a part of the No Pros RC family. We would love to have you in the community, whether you are a pro or a no pro. We welcome everyone. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when we drop new videos. I said in the last video that during the winter months, when time goes back with my work schedule, by the time I get home and try to get set up, it'll be way too dark to film footage. So basically, during the winter months, we will only be filming once a week on the weekend, and the videos will drop on Sunday. Wednesdays will resume during the spring and summer months. Alright, so with that being said, thank you for watching, and until the next video, y'all be easy. Peace.